This video is about how to use the Date.AddMonths feature to take a column, add 3 months to it, and get a new column. So I'm going to use the Power Query editor. And if you look down below, you can see the whole playlist. This is about how to do conditional formatting, and you can jump around between them. And they'll show you the links to that. But what I'm going to do, add a column, custom column. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to add in next assessment date because that's the column that I want to build. This is case sensitive. You have to do if, and then I'm going to add in from my available column, so I have the assessment date, which is kind of what I'm basing the new one on. I'm going to insert it. And what I want to say is if it's null, if it's empty, then what I want to do is just leave it null. Null. Else, I'm going to use the date feature. So I'm going to type date dot add months. And had I clicked earlier, it would have brought it across. But now at this point, I have to add in the date because we already anyway. So now what I've got is you clean that up so it looks right. Then you use a left parentheses. Tells me that what I want to do is to add in the date that I care about and the number of months as a number. So I'm going to click here to get my assessment date, insert it, comma, 3 months, close it with a parentheses. No syntax errors. So I can click OK, but first thing, it's a good trick, is going ahead and highlight that and then copy it. Hold down Control, copy if you're on a laptop, whatever, and then say OK. It brings it up. You can see I've got a next date, assessment date column that is 3 months later. You can kind of eyeball just to make sure. It comes up with the default added custom. So if you do a right click now and you rename it, you can do, instead of added custom, you can then Control V and paste in your next assessment date. And then what you got is a sense, especially as we're gonna, next step is gonna be adding in another one. So it's nice to be able to have that information right there for you. Again, take a look at the other notes to get to other videos. But this is hope this is helpful, and I hope you're able to use the Date.AddMonth feature going forward. Thanks.